This lesson focuses on how to double consonants when adding a suffix. Your cue words: suffix, stressed syllable, consonant, vowel, the doubling rule, and I want you to pay attention to the flowchart. A suffix, as a reminder, is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word. A syllable is the smallest part of a word's pronunciation, and it's made up of at least one vowel. So, for example, cat is one syllable, has one vowel in the middle, so we know we can't have any more than just one syllable. Water, on the other hand, has two different sound units, wa and ter. Two syllables, A in the first, E in the second. Inferno is three syllables, three basic sound units, inferno, and three vowels, I, E, and O, so a three-syllable word. A stressed syllable, then, is the portion of a word that is pronounced with more emphasis when you say it than the remaining syllables. To illustrate our two-syllable word water, the wa sound comes out a little heavier than the ter sound when you speak the word. So wa is the stressed syllable in water. In inferno, fer gets more emphasis. It's said just a little bit harder than the rest of the word. So fer, the second syllable, is the stressed syllable in inferno. You need to know stressed syllables because they feature in the doubling rules. So practice. Find the stressed syllable in each of the following words. Say the word out loud and then underline the part of the word that gets the stressed syllable. Pause the video now and complete the practice. Forget, prefer, travel, develop. Forget, prefer, travel, develop. Now check your work. Forget and prefer, the last syllable, second syllable, is the stressed syllable in the word. For number 3, the tra, first syllable, is the stressed syllable. And in number 4, vel, the second syllable, is the stressed one. Your doubling rule. A word that ends in a stressed syllable with one vowel followed by a consonant doubles the consonant when you add a suffix that starts with a vowel. To clarify, a vowel is A, E, I, O, or U, and sometimes Y. In terms of adding suffixes with vowels, Y is not going to be your vowel. Consonants are any letter other than A, E, I, O, or U, and most often Y is a consonant. In terms of the doubling rule, Y will always be a consonant because we do not add a suffix that starts with a vowel to a word that ends with Y. In terms of doubling consonants. Your exception: if your base word ends with an W, X, or Y, you are not going to double the consonant. So a W, X, or Y for your consonant, and you will not double the consonant before adding ing. This flowchart should help you remember. Is the stressed syllable the last syllable in the word? Yes? Okay, then ask yourself, does the vowel end in does the word end in a vowel and then a consonant? If the answer is yes, you need to ask, is the consonant a W, X, or Y? If the answer is yes, you are not going to double the consonant. But if the answer to that is no, then you will double the consonant. For all other no's, you would not double the consonant. Take some time to practice. Add the suffix ing to the following words. Double the consonants where you should. Forget, develop, prefer, travel, annoy. Use the flowchart for reference. Pause the video and add ing to these words. Now check your work. Forgetting, preferring, both doubled the consonants. Developing and traveling did not, because their final syllable was not stressed. And annoying did not, because the final syllable ended with a Y. Now, complete the practice quiz on Edmodo to prepare for your lesson on Monday.